SB19 accidentally and coincidentally relive an important moment in their journey as a group. SB19 always sings Salamat with smiles and appreciations for 18. But their performance of Salamat in the Simula at Wakas concert just hits different.
Ako rin ang papasalamat. Kami nagpapasalamat sa nagsabay sa paglalakbay tungo sa ating pangarap. Lagi kayong dala.
And more than this emotional version is this scene. Inakbayan ni Josh si Pablo and then Stal did the same with Justin at saka lumapit sa dalawa. Hindi pa ito napansin ni Ken dahil his eyes were on the crowd. Tinatawag na siya ni na Justin pero sakala niya narinig ang mga ito nang si Josh na ang tumawag sa kanya. He then went to his brothers at nag-akbayan sila ni Pablo. At heto nga, nagsiksikan na naman sila pero masayang masaya. And in this moment, you can recall how they came to be SB19. Pablo and Josh were the first to train in their former management in 2015. And then in a year or so, ay sumunod naman si Stal and then Justin. It was then in 2017 nang mag-post si Josh looking for one guy member. And then April of 2018 nang tinawagan ni Josh si Ken para mag-audition. He then got accepted and in October of 2018, they debuted. And then the rest is history. From 5 aspiring young men who started at the bottom, walang malaking connections at walang fandom kundi pamilya lamang ang nakasuporta sa kanila, to now becoming the P-Pop Kings who just sold out a 2-day concert in the Philippine Arena, selling out more than 100,000 seats. And they did it all as 5, the Mahalima, the SB19, the P-Pop King.